Hello and how are you? Let's see how can we remove a folder or delete it. So I've made another quick video for how to make a folder, but how to delete it. So let's see. So little I have a new folder in my desktop, and inside of it there's another folder that I want to get rid of. So I will have to have Python installed using the Microsoft Store or the online version and then IDLE. I prefer to use Python, but you can use whatever you like. Okay? Or even you can use the terminal, but it can be a little harder. First of all, we will need to create a new file called main.py or the Python file. So click it, then we will just import our OS. So I will import my OS. So import OS. So this is how we import the OS library, and you don't have to install. Then I will just make the function def called delete. Okay, and this is where I will delete things. Okay, and you can add a parameter, but because we know the folder name, so we don't need parameter. But if you want to have another video about how to make it with a parameter or different folders, leave a comment below. Then we will call the our library dot, and we will just say dir, then remove all dir, okay? Then the path. So you can just you can add the full path, like see, then let's see, it will go inside the well user. So users and things like that. But because it is in our same folder, we just need to type new folder, and this is it. So let's see. So we'll make a further delete function. So delete. So when we learn it, so delete it. And let's see how can we do it. So learn and delete it. Magically deleted it. And this is how you can delete a folder in Python, and you can enter anything here. For example, I will go to my C directly, go inside my coding, make a new folder, and just call it test, okay? Which we want to be deleted. And I will just copy that path. Then when you go here, then insert the test, but be sure to add double slash and not just one. And plan, deleted plan. Then when you go here, little, we don't have a test anymore since we removed it. And this is how you can remove a folder using Python without anything you need to download. Just pure Python and OS. We don't need anything like a file manager or something like that. Just we will need the OS library. This is how you can delete a file in a folder, I mean in Python. And thank you very much. If you like this video, please leave a comment below and a like and subscribe. Thank you very much.